Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 502 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to refresh the page. For example, if you're on this website, right click and select refresh to refresh the page. The second solution is to close the browser and reopen and load the page again. So I will simply copy its URL. I'll close this browser, I'll open it again, I'll copy and paste the URL and hit enter, and this will load the URL once again. The next solution is to clear the browser cache. So for all Chromium browsers, the procedure is same, whether it's Microsoft Edge, whether it's Google Chrome, no matter what it is. So click on these three dots here and select history. Click on this bin like symbol. Select time range as all time. Make sure that cookies and cache both are selected. Click on clear now. The last solution is to remove extensions. And how do we remove these extensions? So click on these three dots here, select extensions and click on manage extensions. Now turn the switch off for any extension that seems to be problematic and then click on remove and then click on remove once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.